I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping both tables. Remove trailing spaces, normalize case, and drop obvious duplicates. Once done, open the Fuzzy Lookup add-in or Power Query and load the primary table and the reference table. Next, choose the two matching columns and set similarity threshold to a conservative start like 0. 7 so you don't flood results. Make sure to map columns explicitly. This prevents incorrect pairings. Now run the initial fuzzy match to see candidate pairs and their similarity scores. Once you have initial results, analyze false positives and missed matches by inspecting similarity scores and sample pairs. Increase threshold to reduce false hits or decrease to recover misses. Change it in small steps. Make sure to try different tokenization modes. Ngram helps partial strings, whole word prevents crossword matches, and Levenstein handles typos. Then add secondary columns or create concatenated keys for context, run the merge again, and compare. This iterative tuning lets you converge on reliable. You finalize by accepting matches above your chosen similarity cutoff, exporting results with source ID and scores for auditing. Once done, manually review borderline pairs and codify any recurring exceptions into rules or lookup tables. If you encounter many incorrect matches, make sure to add blocking keys, for example match on postal code or first letter, or perform additional cleaning like expanding abbreviations. If problems persist, reduce threshold only with extra blocking or token adjustments. This prevents a surge of false positives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.